Welcome to eToll-Free's Cloud Tutorial Series. Now that we know what the call detail record is, we will be going through the table and what each of the columns are for. In the cloud phone system call detail records, there are several columns that provide important information about each phone call. Let's break down what each of these mean. First is EXT or extension. This is the internal phone number or extension that received or made the call. Caller name. This displays the name of the person or company making the call, just like when a name appears on your phone screen for an incoming call. Caller number. This is the actual phone number of the person or company making the call. Now for the destination. The destination is where the call ended up. If a call was routed to a group of phones, this would be the specific phone that answered the call. Recording. This column will show your call recording. If you subscribed for call recordings, you should be able to see a play button here. Date and time. This shows when the call came in or was made. TTA or time to answer. This tells us how long it took for someone to answer the call after it came in. PDD or post-dial delay. Technically, PDD is the time from when you send the calls, up to when you receive the first ringing response. For duration, this shows how long the call lasted. Status shows what happened with the call, whether it was answered, missed, or ended in some other way. By understanding these fields, you can gain valuable insights into your phone calls, including who called whom, how long they talked, and the quality of the call. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.